Ah. Oh. Yo, what's good everyone? So I'm back again with another reaction video. So I think this is the 5th blind audition performance na aking i-react today from the voice generation. So I already acted to Aita Brothers, Four Tenors, The Glitters, and The Queens. Ito naman yung O Duo. So kakanta sila ng Rolling in the Deep. So it's very interesting, no? Yung partner nila, yung pairing kasi nga it's a grown man and a little cutie girl, okay, yung pares ito. So this is very interesting, okay. So please follow me on my Facebook page David Lanyas, and on Instagram realdavid_29, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel as well if you're new here. Comment down below what videos you want me to react to, and just like the video as well. Okay, so that's it. Let's jump right into the video.
At this point.
Okay. Okay, obviously this is Casey Tandingan's version. There's a fire. That's a very wonderful skill na ano ko, na talagang markang-marka para sa akin sa version na to. Ito si Kuya Ito si Kuya, yung boses niya para siyang pwede siyang sumali dun sa Four Tenors. Yung classical na tenor, buong-buo yung boses niya. Oh. I already know. At Julian will really turn dito sa part na to kasi mahilig din siyang mag-rap eh. I don't know about Coach Chito. Nag-rap naman to si Coach Chito eh. But to be honest yung singing skill ng bata, it's still very 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 raw. Pero I am very impressed sa kanyang rap skills. To the beat. Woo. Okay, I love the fact na talagang the girl tried her best na kunin yung mga even the adlibs sa last part ni Casey Tandingan. Mga ganon. I love that. And si Kuya naman very supportive. I think na sumali lang din si Kuya dito para parang lang, samahan lang tong girl. Kasi he's very supportive eh. Kahit yung singing niya, no, all throughout sumusuporta lang siya sa bata, no. And I think that the highlight here is the kid, no.
Tama pa yung desisyon namin tatlo. Wow! Oh my goodness! Sabi na nga ba may bata?
Oh my gosh. Oh my
Ah,
gosh.
you're so cute.
Unang-unang buka pa lang ng mga bibig ninyo. In love na agad ako sobra. You know, I was just so in awe the whole time.
Thank you.
Ah,
As in, like, kung makikita nyo lang ako kanina pa ako nakanganga. Tatiana, how
Ah.
old are you?
I'm 10 years old po.
10.
Old. Oh my gosh. Alam mo, naalala ko nung 10 years old ako, dyan din ako nagsisimula, like, alam mo yun, parang, pag naririnig ko yung mga songs, nag-iimbento ako ng mga iba't ibang mga tono sa utak ko. Tapos, doon ako nag-start na matutong magkulot, mag-adlibs, ganyan.
Congratulations po. Welcome to The Voice. And actually, gusto kong i-press yung button ko. But nung nag-rap na si...
Ba't hindi mo pinrest?
Hindi, kasi nung nag-rap si... Ano name?
Tatiana.
Tatiana, sabi ko, feeling ko, parang kay Julie to.
Ah.
Hindi ko na pinakailaman pa ito.
Nagra-rap ka din eh.
Ha?
Nagra-rap ka din eh.
Hindi masyado.
Ako, wag mo ko inaano-ano.
Sabi mo nga, di ba, nung bata ka pa lang, ganyan din ikaw nag-start. Nag-aral ka pa lang magkulot-kulot. Pero ngayon, tignan mo, ang ganda na ng kulot mo. Ang galing mo na magkulot.
Exactly. Diba?
Kaya yun, again, congratulations and welcome to Team Julie. Ako talaga yung nag-welcome, eh, no?
So excited.
nice.
Mami, ano message ko kay Michael tsaka Tatiana?
Galingan nila. At saka, natupad yung pangarap ko, ding-dong, sir. Kasi gusto ko talagang maging musikera, kaso lang hindi natupad dahil hindi ako nakapag-aral hindi na ako kaya
So si Mami talaga, no, yung si Lola, ano pala yung dream niya is to become a musician, a singer, no? And hindi nyo like it's very fulfilling, no, na your dreams can actually be passed on to your relatives, grandkids mo, no, and hindi naman forcibly, but I think that the girl really has the talent and the passion for music as well. So that's a very blessing para kay Lola, no, kasi at least, no, kasi tatanda tayo. Ako my dream is to also become a musician, to be known, no? Hindi dahil gusto ko magpasikat, but I want my music to be heard, my voice to be heard. But ganun talaga minsan, maybe it's not yet for you or hindi talaga para sa iyo, and at least somehow sa pag-YouTube ko, na ipapakita ko din sa inyo yung potential ko, no? So I really feel Lola, and I can really relate to her sentiments here, no?
sabi ko sa anak ko, sana na gusto kong maging musikero ka.
Ito na nga. And of course, Mami Shai.
Very proud, ate. Sana po pinagtrabahoan natin to. So, very happy po. Thank you, The Voice Generation.
Very authentic, no? Ang gusto ko dito sa The Voice, actually, no? Mas marami yung mas maraming sumasali na very raw kasi last kasi dun sa sa The Voice na sa ABS-CBN, talagang magagaling, like super duper ang tindi ng doon ng mga auditionist doon, talagang kahit bata pa, like super magagaling na talaga, no? Pero dito sa The Voice Generation, I think that they're not they're specific with the voice, no? Kasi nga The Voice siya itself. Pero I love the fact na they are considering raw talents, no? Really, really raw talents, no? So yeah, I think that's it. And hope you guys enjoyed that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Bye. See you on my next video.